forces? I don't know. Do you know what forces are? No! I don't! I haven't had water in a few days. I have ink. I drink ink, and I also eat ink. That makes no sense. Just kidding, I eat lead. What? Wait, you're a pen, so that makes sense. Whatever. Anyways, do you know what forces are? No! Again, I do not. Also, he already asked me that same question. Oh. Oh! Let me explain to you. So what are forces again? Well, I'm going to show you right now. This is a regular force. Force 1. What happens when a force 1 tries to fight a stronger force? Well, obviously that force gets defeated. Right. Now, if this force tries to fight another stronger force, what happens with that force? That one also gets eliminated. Yes, correct. It goes so on. There can be, well, infinite forces. Those are called invincible forces. They have many names. These are called, wait a second, I forgot. You have a brain the size of wait, I forgot. No, I don't. You have a brain the size of a proton. Why? Whatever. Anyways, these are called... Hold on, wait, what? Hey, what are you doing? I'm going to knock down this thing, and then I'm going to break your skull. No! Hey, stop that! Also, it's very hard for you to knock that down. You don't even know what I'm knocking down. You might... whatever. Okay, so these are called unstoppable forces. Now, infinity is an unstoppable force, so if you use infinity, it would be, well, it would be an infinity unstoppable force, bigger than any other force. So on. And if an unstoppable force, well, there's bigger infinities than infinity, you can use an unstoppable force and make another unstoppable force stronger than it. So if infinity were to fight 1, that would mean that 1 was nothing compared to infinity. So basically nothing. And then 2, also nothing. 3, 4, and so on. If infinity were to fight infinity, that would be, well, there's a 50-50 chance any of them will win. Anyways, if an unstoppable force meets a stronger unstoppable force, which is basically true, this is Omega and this is Infinity, then the weaker force would definitely be defeated. It goes so on forever and it never stops because there is no last biggest number ever to exist. We do not know any kind of number. Not even this. Yes, I'm about to make a gigantic circle that takes up a lot of space on this paper. This. Omega, Aleph Null. Omega gets defeated. Aleph Null is fine. All of the natural numbers are just equal to infinity. So basically, none of them would beat each other. Or actually, there's 50-50 chance, like, with one of these guys. And anyways, this is absolute infinity. Now, absolute infinity can definitely be infinity because it's a greater unstoppable force. So basically, everything would perish. Everything would be defeated, even infinity itself, except for absolute infinity. F4, infinity itself, all of this would be gone, even Omega. Absolute infinity is not the biggest infinity because there's more. Let's talk about smaller numbers. We have 1. Force 1 is basically kind of like an infinity because any force or number below it, like 0.1, added to it just still equals 1. So, let's say 0. And we have 1. Obviously, 1 would be able to be 0, so that's out of here. Now, what about a number below 0? 0.5. Well, this number, would easily be able to be this guy. But 1 would also be able to be, well, you know. How about this? If we do this, the exact opposite of infinity is P. Like Pi. And it's also an infinity too. There's basically a lot more infinities. So P is the exact opposite of infinity and is also greater than 0. So obviously 0 is, yeah, it's basically nothing. So, yeah, 0 is also defeated. Anyways, the comparison from absolute infinity to just 1 is like an inaccessible infinity. This is what an inaccessible infinity looks like. So force 1 can easily be defeated. So no more force 1s, and basically the smaller numbers get instantly defeated by the bigger numbers. I don't know if these are bigger than each other yet, because I haven't found out that. So I'm just going to say that this one survives until I find out. This one needs to do some research as well. So, basically, that's how you compare forces. Like infinite forces. Also, infinity is limited. You can actually count to it if you skip count. Oh, cool. So, hey, what happened to my voice? I think I changed your voice. Oh no. I'm gonna go to the hospital now because I think I have voice stuff. I don't know what happened to my neck. Huh. Well, I guess that's how you compare forces. Hey, stop breaking the fourth wall! No, I will never. I will actually travel through the fourth wall and try and destroy everything, if I can. Wait, maybe the dimensional breaker can do that. Maybe if I travel into Roblox, I can destroy everything. I was not asking you to destroy everything. I'm the dimensional breaker, and I will break everything. Hiya!